Hi, welcome to Acorn Education's virtual school. This is where you'll find your online school and classroom. I'm going to show you how to log in, enroll in your subjects, and set up your message center in your online classroom. Let's get started. Your teacher will have sent you a message with your username, password, and a URL link that looks like this. It's going to say Acorn Education, My Classroom. I want you to click on that link. It should take you straight to the Acorn Education website and virtual school. This is where we're going to log in. These two grey blocks are where you're going to type in your username and password that your teacher sent to you. Please do this slowly and carefully and exactly the way that it was sent to you. Use all your capital letters as you see them and all your numbers and hyphens. Capital D, capital L, capital M for Lee May, and my password, capital A, capital P, capital V, capital S, 1, 2, 3, 4. Underneath these two blocks, you're going to see a little block that says Remember Me. I want you to click on that block and put a tick in it. That way, every time you come back onto this device, you won't have to log in again, as you'll automatically be logged into your classroom. Now press the big green login button, and yay, you're all logged in. It's going to take you through to your My Classroom page. Right, you are now logged in and you're in My Classroom. This is where we're going to put the subjects and courses that you'll need. This part is called Enrolling. If you're not sure which subjects to choose, your teacher will help you. Right, let's get started. At the top of your screen, you will see 3 little lines. This is your menu button. Press there and you will get a drop-down menu that looks like this. Press Virtual School. You'll get another drop-down menu. Press Virtual School again. Now go down and you'll see the 3 different schools to choose from. I want you to choose the picture of your school. There we go. This page has got all the different grades in your school. You're going to choose whichever grade you're in. I'm going to choose grade 3. Now you're going to see all the different subjects for your grade in here. Here they're called courses. Here we have independent reading, EAT, Wiskunde, maths. You'll scroll down and you'll see hairstyle, home language. All the different subjects and courses are going to be listed over here. You're only going to choose the ones that you're going to need. And if you're not sure which ones those are, remember to ask your teacher to help you. I'm going to start with independent reading. I'm going to press on independent reading and it's going to open up that course. Now if you scroll all the way to the bottom of that course, you'll see an Enroll Now button at the bottom. I want you to press that Enroll Now button. And it's going to send that course straight to your My Classroom page for you. Now, we're going to do that again for all the different subjects and courses that you need to put into your classroom. We're going to go back. I want you to find your back arrow. Mine is at the bottom. I'm going to press it once. It's going to take me back to the independent reading course. I'm going to press it again, and it's going to take me back to all the different subjects and courses on the grade 3 page. Okay, next subject I'm going to choose for myself that I need to do is Eerste Addisionale Taal. I'm going to press that one. It's going to open it up for me. I'm going to go all the way down to the bottom again. I'm looking for the Enroll Now button. I've pressed the Enroll Now button. And it's going to have sent it automatically to my classroom. press your back arrow once, press your back arrow twice, and we are back to the grade 3 subject choices. I'm going to go all the way down to maths now. I'm going to choose maths. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom again. I'm going to press enroll, and it's going to have sent it back all the way to my classroom. Those are all the subjects I need to choose, and if I haven't put them all into my classroom yet, it doesn't matter because I can come back here anytime and I can add more subjects to my classroom. If your teachers add more subjects and they want you to enroll them, at any time you can come back here and you can enroll in more of these subjects and courses to put into your classroom. Okay, go back one more time, back to your grade 3. Go back to the top, find your menu button up at the top. I want to show you what it looks like in your classroom now. Press your menu button, your virtual school. You tap your virtual school menu. Go to my classroom. It must say hello to you again. Howdy Lee May. It's going to say hi to you. I want you to go to enrolled courses because that's what we've just done. And here you're going to see my classroom page with enrolled courses, and underneath there all the enrolled courses that we've just put in. So there's your independent reading, your Eerste Addisionale Taal, and my maths. Okay. Right. The last thing we're going to do now is set up your message center. So I want you to go back up to your menu button again, and you're going to press in the drop down virtual school button, you're going to press all groups. This is going to give you a long list of all the different groups in all the different schools, all the different classes in all the different schools. So I don't need you to scroll through there and find your group over there. Just go straight up to this top button over here where it says search groups. In there, I want you to type in what grade you're in. So I'm going to type grade 3 and I'm going to press search. And it's going to filter all of the grade 3 groups for me, the grade 3 classes. So now I want to find grade 3D because that's the class that I'm in at Apex Primary School. So I want you to choose whatever grade and whatever class you're in normally at school. That's going to be the same class with the same teacher that you're going to have here. So I want you to press join group. There we go. You've joined the group. It's automatically going to have sent it to your profile in your My Classroom page and in your on your profile. So go up to your menu button again, and I want you to press Virtual School, and I want you to go to My Groups. So remember, it's My Classroom and My Groups. That's where you need to be. Here's my group. This is my profile in my group. And this is where I'm going to message my teacher when I want to say hi and I want to talk to her. So here's my Apex Primary School grade 3 group. I'm going to tap on that. And I'm going to send my teacher a message. Over here when it says what's new in grade 3D Lee, this is where in this block I'm going to type in and I'm going to say, hello teacher, it's Lee May. How are you? Okay, and then I'm going to press post update. And that's going to send that message straight through to my teacher. She's going to get notified that she has a message from Lee May. She's going to open it and she'll send you a message back to say hi or ask you how you're doing or ask you if you need something or tell you what you might need to do. So there we go. You're all set up. You've set up your classroom. You've logged in. You've got all your subjects ready for you, and you've got your message center ready for you to communicate with your teacher. So well done. Last thing I want to say is that I want you to be patient. This is all new. I want you to be patient with yourself, with your device that you're using, and with those around you.